So we've made burgers, but have we made patty melts? We're doing it with this sexy beast. Sliced cast iron skillet, medium-low heat, butter. Add your onions, kosher salt, pepper. Cook low and slow, 25 to 30 minutes. Just like that. Splash of cognac. 1 pound Lars lean ground beef. 1½ teaspoons garlic powder. 1½ teaspoons onion powder. Kosher salt. Pepper. Mix it. Divide into 4. Smash it. Form the shape of the bread. Avocado oil so they don't stick. You know the drill. Oil the grates. Flip, flip, flip Philadelphia. Grill 1 to 1½ minutes each side. Bread. Unsalted butter. Flip it over. Dijon. Little schmear. Thin layer. Swiss cheese. Add your onions. Heat it low heat. Toast the bread and melt the cheese about 1½ to 2 minutes. Don't burn it. Lower the lid. Woo! Deli pickle, because you fancy.